my name's Adele.
And I'm Mandy, and we're from Splosh. We're excited today to be showing you around some of our newest ranges. With summer just around the corner and everyone eager to spend time with friends and family, this gorgeous functional picnic set will be an appealing gift idea across all the generations. Featuring a picnic basket and mat to match, this colourful, on-trend range was created with product functionality in mind that allows customers to enjoy convenient foldable designs, handles, and an outer zip-up compartment to store keys, phones, and other personal possessions. The picnic basket also features insulated lining to keep the contents nice and cool, as well as feet to protect the bottom from wear and tear against surfaces. The picnic rug measures at 1.5 times 2 metres and has a handle, an amazing waterproof backing, and a Velcro close, making it super easy to pack and unpack. It also has a belly band for display, and the attractive designs will grab the customer's eye and ignite the imagination. To merchandise the range in store, we recommend creating something that's really interactive and fun for customers, and will show the size and the features of the picnic items. Even setting up a picnic display on a table with the mat and basket and arranging them with other picnic related items like our grazing boards or our Sit by Splosh range, or even the recycled tote bag. With 3 stylish designs, these quality picnic essentials will be hot sellers coming into the warmer seasons. The starter pack has 2 of each style, and the products can be reordered in 2s, although stock will be limited, so don't miss out.
Get ready, our newest mug concept has officially landed. Introducing Monogram mugs. With its eye-catching floor display unit and unique design, Monogram mugs have been a proven bestseller in store, and these have been designed as the ultimate gift idea for the person that has it all. Inspired by a vintage look with a splash of Art Deco, the mugs feature exquisite gold foil detailing and come in full colour packaging with a custom sticker. Created as a gender-neutral gift, the starter pack comes with an easy-to-assemble stand and includes 112 mugs altogether, 4 of each letter of the alphabet, along with 2 additional mug designs that feature inspirational quotes, including "I'm so lucky to have a friend like you" and "Always believe in yourself." Heading towards the holiday season, this will make a great personalised gift, especially if you fill the mug with the recipient's favourite sweet treat. They will also make an excellent teacher gift. We recommend placing the display at the front of your store to grab your customer's attention, featuring a convenient floor display unit with wheels that can be easily moved around your store into key hotspots. It's also a great idea to use the additional replenishment merchandised in displays throughout the store, spelling out words within a theme. The range is available now. Order online or through your area sales manager. The highly anticipated Island Breeze range has landed, and we can't wait to show you. Featuring rustic coastal imagery against a soft backdrop of sand, driftwood, and navy hues, this versatile range is the byproduct of direct customer demand for coastal-inspired homewares. The range features all of our tried and tested bestsellers, including canvases, verses, frames, magnets, and coasters, as well as our newest cult favourites, grazing boards, planters, and vases. The Island Breeze range has specially been designed to factor in customer preferences and product performance. A few examples include our canvases, a key highlight of the range, which are available in various sizes and include quotes that add a personal touch that customers have been loving, as well as our magnets that all feature popular inspirational messages. Weaving a Mandela motif, the Island Breeze range offers the perfect balance of on-trend homewares designs that are sure to bring a touch of tranquility to any space. We recommend merchandising the range together for full aesthetic value and allowing customers to interact with it firsthand. You can find an example of how to merchandise online or in our catalogue.
Don't forget, we're only an email or a phone call away. We have so many online resources that we love sharing with you just at your fingertips. And we're also happy to come out and chat to you in store. We love helping you get the best possible experience in store and create the best possible sales opportunities.
Definitely. We're always here to help. And we've got so many hot tips and ideas that we love sharing with you guys. And happy selling.